Good morning students. Now we are going to see about lesson 1 term 3 Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. Subject Social Science Standard 3. In this lesson we are going to learn about know the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Understand their contribution in freedom movement. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year in India. It is to commemorate the nation's independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. The freedom which we enjoy today is the effort taken by freedom fighters. Now we learn about name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Subramania Bharati, V.O. Chidambaram, Sembagaraman, Subramania Siva and Tirupur Kumaran. Now we learn about Subramania Bharati. He was called as Subramania Bharati. He poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. He was born in a village called Ettayapuram in Tuticorin district. He started writing poems at the age of 7. His poems are patriotic and it is all about gender equality and women empowerment. He worked as a teacher, then he became the assistant editor of the Sudeshimitran newspaper in 1904. He also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1990. He worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Siva. His poems Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharadam. His poems motivated people to join the freedom struggle movement. Bharati was indeed a great freedom fighter and one cannot forget his contribution for the freedom struggle. Now we learn about choose the correct answer. First one, where was Bharatiyar born? Ettayapuram. Second one, Kathi Indri was not composed by Bharatiyar. Third one, V.O. Chidambaram is known as Kappalottiya Tamilan. Fourth one, who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Answer, Sembagaraman. Fifth one, who started a monthly newspaper Jnanabhanu? Answer, Subramania Siva. Second Roman letter match the following. First one, Deshabandhu Youth Association, Tirupur Kumaran. Second one, Tindukal, Subramania Siva. Third one, International Pro India Committee, Sembagaraman. Fourth one, Sudeshimitran Bharatiyar. Fifth one, lawyer V.O. Chidambaram. Third Roman letter, answer the following. First one, name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Answer, Subramania Bharati, Tirupur Kumaran, Sembagaraman, V.O. Chidambaram, Subramania Siva. Second question, name some poems written by Bharatiyar. Answer, Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharadam. Third question, write about the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. Answer, first point, it is a shipping company started by V.O. Chidambaram. Second point, he started the Swadeshi steam shipping between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. Fourth one, what is the contribution of Sembagaraman in freedom struggle? Answer, first point, he joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. Second point, he only coined the slogan Jai Hind. Fifth one, write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. Answer, first point, he was born in Tirupur. Second point, he started Deshabandhu Youth Association. Third point, during the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India, so he is called Kudigatha Kumaran. Thank you.